Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So excited to be doing another video for you guys today. But before I get into what I'm going to get into, I want to say thank you guys for wishing my niece Piper a happy birthday and all the sweet comments. And even though like her birthday has passed, those are her birthday videos. So you can still keep commenting because she'll see that for as long as forever. She will see those comments and those videos. So if you guys want to still comment happy birthday and how adorable she is, because she is, then go ahead and do that, please. She would love that. She absolutely loves the videos and loves the comments, and it was just such a great time. I had so much fun with her doing my makeup. She is a character for sure. So also, before I get into this, I like to curl my eyelashes. And my favorite eyelash curler that my mother-in-law gave me, and like honestly, this was a year ago. And so this has been through it, and it finally broke. I'm so sad. So if any of you guys know of a really good eyelash curler, please write that down in the comments, because I will be searching for a good one, because I like to make my lashes nice and curled, and it just makes the lashes go on so much more better. So please help a girl out and write in the comments what is a good lash curler. Okay? So when we ordered the giveaway palette, my husband knew I needed a new beauty blender, right? So this guy is old. My son Liam bit off the tip of the beauty blender. It's old. I need a new one. So he got me this. So I am very excited to try this and see how well this performs. But it's been sitting in my drawer unopened for a while. Ooh, it feels real thick. Cute red. So I am so excited to try this. First, I'm going to prime my face. I really am obsessed with the No Pore Blown Prime Essence by Touch in Soul. It's, you guessed it, amazing. So you just drop these, and it feels so cooling. I'm obsessed. Just rub it in. Let me let that dry a little bit. Might have put a good amount, showing off how much I love this primer. But I love it. It gives me a nice dewy glow. And I feel like it makes my foundation go on flawlessly. So I'm going to take my straw and go like this with the water on it. And dampen the beauty blender. Well, the Morphe Sponge. I'm going to dampen the Morphe Sponge. Ooh, it's really thick. Just add water and give it a good squeeze. Pair with your favorite makeup and blend the rules. Keep clean, wash in warm water, gently. Okay, so this is a highlight and contour sponge, which I'm sure it's for foundation too. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. Okay. And dirty her up. Put on 2 squirts. Let's see how this works. So far, I am not hating it. This goes on pretty flawlessly. Okay, Morphe. You haven't disappointed me yet, so it's just so dense. It feels so different. So now I'm going to use my concealer and blend out my concealer and see how that works. Just blend that in. Oh my gosh. No more $30 sponge. This Morphe sponge is only $8. I'm going to use my powder and just set that foundation. Going to set my eyes. Going to use this little handy and then I want to get into the Tarteist Pro Glow by Tarte. It's a little messy. But this palette is like, everybody's always asking, what is your glow? What do you use for your highlight? This is what I use, and it is so good. So I'm going to show you guys how I use that. And this retails for $45, but I've had this for a while, and I want to say it was from my last Luxe. So about 2 months, because my next Luxe will be in September. So yeah, I've had this for about 2 months, and that's really good. So I'm going to get into the contouring and check this out because it's like a contour. So I'm going to go into the contour shade. This is very different because I usually use a brush. So, oh my gosh, okay. Okay, just don't go crazy. Okay. Just okay. Going to dust off my bake so I can put the highlight on. Get into the highlight. Let's see. Going with the tip and going in with the pink shade that I am absolutely obsessed with. Okay. Just playing around with this. Doesn't this highlight everything? I'm obsessed. Yes. See how much I love this highlight. I freaking love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know how you would, I would see if you had a cream contour, you could blend it out with this, but I'm blending out my contour with my Luxie 512 small contouring brush. And then last in the palette, I'm going to go into, yeah, that contour. It looks good. I'm going to go into this blush in the palette. I'm going to put some blush on. It's a great, dusty, beautiful pink. And then what I like to do to give me like even a more summer glow, there's a bronzer. And I just put a little bit of the bronzer over the blush. See, but wherever I move, that's a glow. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and tell you guys what I think about the Morphe Sponge. I already know I love the Tarte palette. You guys will too. Like, so gorgeous. So I will be right back. So guys, final look. Isn't that glow just everything? And nowhere on the packaging says that you're supposed to use this for foundation, but it can be done. I'm sure other people have done this too, but this is really great for $8, and it still gave me the glow that I needed. And it's the difference, it's like so dense and it feels bigger, and I like the edge that it gives, like the perfect contour, and I feel pretty snatched and glowy right now. Pretty obsessed for $8. So this is a win. My beauty blender might be going in the garbage because it's old. But this palette is everything. It's $45, but I mean, do you know any drugstore or any other highlight that can make you glow like this? The only other one is the Cover Effects that I gave my niece Piper, and this is pretty comparable to that, and they're about the same in what it costs. But this is amazing. $45, well worth it. So I'm obsessed. I've been obsessed. I've been using that for 2 months. Every time I do my makeup, that's the palette I use. And like, it's gorgeous. And it barely looks like I used it. So there's so much product in there. So for $45, that is just, yes. Like, everybody asks me, what do you use for your highlight? Like, I want your glow. And well, you guys, this is what I use, the Tarteist Pro Glow Palette. I am not seeing a difference I'm actually seeing maybe more coverage with the Morphe Sponge. So I'm thinking the Morphe Sponge is better than the Beauty Blender because it doesn't look any difference to me. And when I used my foundation and covered it, it was like full coverage. So that's awesome. So Morphe Sponge, $8. Tarteist Pro Glow Palette, $45. Well worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to get my glow, get yourself really pretty rosy cheeks. I love that like dusty pink. Like, this is so beachy vibes for me, but you can like go all year round with this. So I hope you guys loved this tutorial and this review and showing you guys off this highlighting, contour, and blush palette. It's well worth the money, guys. If you guys liked this video, go and like it. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Just like my niece Piper said, subscribe. She is the cutest 4-year-old little girl ever. She's so adorable. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.